Well, today we're going to look at some Star Wars kits. So I've been up in the attic going through my stash of model kits that I either have made and put up there or not made, and I found one of my Star Wars ones. So there's also the Cantina that there is a video about. There's that one on my channel, so I found some. So I found my Star Wars The Empire Strikes Back Battle of Hoth. This is the re-release kit. I picked this up quite cheaply, I think, because I always wanted this when it was new and could never afford it. So when I finally had some money, I decided to buy one, and luckily the re-releases were selling really cheaply. I think I paid about £4 or £5 for this. They went over to painted box artwork like this one. It does show some shots of the made-up kit on the side, which is nice. These are the sort of things I remember seeing and lusting after. There's not much else on the sides. The box is in better days as a join the Star Wars fan club leaflet, but basically this is one I've got made up, which we will have a look at in a second. But I thought I'd show you my other two kits that I haven't made up. So this is still a sealed Return of the Jedi Jabba the Hutt throne room. The original price, which I think was $8.88, and reduced down to, looks like $5. It's a lovely shot of the made up kit. This is the one that still has the poster in it. So it says, I think it says 28 detailed figures, and then there's shots of the made up model. That's $35 on there. That must have been what it was originally. I say this one's still sealed. I had this one when it came out because I don't know whether I must have had a bit spare money, but I purchased this. I've not got my original one. This was the one came in a job lot I bought. This was the original paintings on the front. They did a Empire one as well, the Hoth battle. I really like this painting. Got some great detail on it. It's a golden opportunity kit. I don't know what the golden opportunity is. Perhaps there's a leaflet in there to tell me. I don't really want to open this. I do. I really want to build it, but I know it's rare to have a sealed one. And then the other one I've got, which is a re-release of Yoda's house. So Encounter with Yoda on Dagobah. And this is again one that I had and made up when it first came out. This is the re-release with the painted cover, not as nice. And it's got shots. Quite a nice made up version actually. Normally they don't put much effort into the made up ones on the side. This one is all still in the baggie, so you get Yoda's. What's that? Let's say Shadows of the Empire Dark Horse mini comic. I don't know where that's come from. So it's all still sealed. I think I might make this one up because I don't think this one's worth much. There's little Yoda. There's Luke. I remember it being quite light on detail. I wonder if I could make anything good of it. I might give it a go, do a video on that one. But the one I want to show is the Battle on Hoth, because I've made that one up. Okay, so this is the made up diorama. I love this diorama. It's amazing. I would have loved this as a kid because remember like Airfix did little 1/72 scale figures and forts and things, and I loved them as a kid. And this would have been the same thing. I probably, as a kid, I wouldn't have painted it. I would have just played with the soldiers. The soldiers are tiny. I haven't got a ruler, but that's my finger. So you can see how small they are. They were really difficult to paint. So it comes with loads of troops. So you get rebel soldiers, you get people on tauntauns. Quite difficult to paint. You get the rebel cannons. The base is a vac form base. It comes in sort of white and blue colour, but I painted it. There's the rebel generator that the Empire's attacking. So you get a little X-wing. Again, tiny little X-wing. Mix up quite nicely. One of the ones is Han Solo, so I did a Han Solo figure. I think I painted Luke on his tauntaun somewhere. One of these is. And then attacking them, you get the Imperial Walkers. There's dead Dalek in the background. The Imperial Walkers, or 8080s, or ATATs, however you want to say it. You also get not as many Imperial troops. I'm presuming there's troops in these because otherwise they're outmanned by the rebels. You get a little chicken walker. You get 2 quite nicely detailed, because it's a snap fix kit, so it's quite basic. You could go to town, I suppose, on making details on it. So you get 2 of those, and then you get 1 destroyed one that's got its leg hanging off. It doesn't really fit on the base very well. Look at his legs in the air. But yeah, on the whole, I love this model. I want to get the Rebel base one as well, but that seems to go for silly money as well. Because you didn't, on this one, you didn't get sort of star figures. You didn't get like Darth Vader and Princess Leia and that. But it is nice. I glued it all down. Normally I don't like gluing figures down, but I thought it's not like I'm ever going to play with it. There's the instruction sheet, so it shows you all the detail on the figures. I love that. Look at that illustration. That's so basic. And then it snow speeders just snapped together. The cannons. You see the 8080s are really simple. It's a nice kit. I'm glad I kept it. Normally when I make things up they end up getting destroyed or chucked away, because once you've made it up the fun's gone. But I'm glad I did this one. It makes a lovely little scene. Right, if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe and let me know in the comments. If I get the Rebel base kit, I'll obviously make that up. I'll probably do a video making up the encounter with Yoda, but Jabba's throne room, I think I'm going to leave that sealed. Every day I go through different emotions of should I just open it and make it. An unmade kit is a sad kit in my book. But yeah, I hope you like this one. If you got any requests for models, I've got quite a few made up ones that I can display. But thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks then. Bye.